We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ATONEP Handheld Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable. There are include powerful suction and 2 power modes, cordless handheld vacuum cleaner with built-in high-efficiency motor. It can provides 9000 PA super suction at powerful mode. Easy to clean dust, debris, pet hair and others activities. Cordless ultralight, handheld vacuum cleaner is cordless and just 2.2 pounds weight, which is suitable for people with different ages to operate. It can help you move freely to clean your home, office, car, or hard-to-reach corner. Because handheld vacuum cleaner is very light, which is easy for home and car cleaning. Multi-suction nozzle and large capacity dust cup. This handheld cordless vacuum cleaner comes with 2 different accessories to meet your different needs. And it has a 500 ml trash to clean in all directions. Fast charging. The handheld vacuum cordless machine is equipped with a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery and can be fully charged in only 3 to 3.5 hours, running for about 25 minutes. While the LED indicator shows the remaining power to remind you to charge. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.